Hello and welcome to a Sickware tutorial video, and today we'll be going over the ix6520 Ink Jet Printer used along with the negative film from Fixxons for screen printing. This film is used to burn your image into your screen. We find that it does deliver a nice sharp clean image with one pass, used along with when using this film. Be sure to note it has a print side. The reason I'm choosing this printer is because we can use it for two purposes. One is for screen printing. It gives us a sharp image on our film, and the next is for sublimation. Because it prints 11 by 17 as well as 13 by 19 prints, and it is a full color printer. Well, checking our ink status, we find that our inks are low. One thing we like about Canon is you can refill the cartridge.
Previously,
once you have the image you'd like to print, go ahead and send it to that time. You can, once you printed the image, be sure to inspect it for flaws. And when you get ready to load your paper, notice that it comes with a print side. Follow the instructions to be sure to print it on the side to load it. Observe there's a print side for the film. And there you have it. Nice dark image, one pass. Once your image prints, you want to check for any flaws or any stray marks. Being careful to trim them away. Burnt, you can blacken up. Okay, next you're going to want to set your image on your platinum. I like to set mine to a T. This one here, I didn't put registration marks in this one for the fact that it's going to be just a tad off center on me on this one. Next, once you have your image set, once you have your image set on your platinum, you want to go ahead and line it up. Line your positive up. Okay, so now we're going to take and put the screen on the platinum. You set your screen over the image. Press in the corner wherever you applied the tape to attach it to your screen. Okay, now that we have the image attached to the screen, next is to burn the image into the screen. Keep in mind your motion is light sensitive, so you want to try to work as quick as you can on working in your light. I like to put a little weight on the back of my image. Once your image and everything is set, go ahead and set your timer. Once everything is set to burn, set your timer. Your screen is dry, you want to take and block it out. The edges, take the edges out. Once your screen is dry, you're going to want to look for pinholes that might be in the image so that you can block them out. Once you have your edges taped off and the screen holes filled, it's Time to set the screen. And tighten it in place. Whenever you're printing, you want to use spray adhesive. Spray a little on your platinum to secure the item that you're going to be printing on. This here is a test pool, so I'm going to just use this shirt here. Once you have your shirt tacked down, it's good to use a roller to remove any loose lint. Once you have your screen and everything in place, make sure you have room between the screen and the material. That way when you flood it or pour ink across the image, it doesn't just lay on top of the image, which will cause it to smudge and overrun its borders. Once your screen is in place, okay, now it's time for test pool. Make sure your squeegee is wide enough to cover the image. I'm going to start, flood the image, flood your image. You want it completely covered with ink. Then you come through with pull stroke, forcing the ink through onto the material. And there's your printed image. Next stop, the dryer. Okay, now it's time for the dryer. Once the dryer has reached the appropriate temperature, you can start running your shirts through.